grade 1 students, how are you doing? I hope that you had a wonderful day yesterday, even though it was a little bit rainy. And yesterday was Monday, right? Yes, yesterday was Monday. So what day will today be? Today is Tuesday. Great job. Today is Tuesday the 12th of January, and remember we are in the new year, and this year is called 2021. Excellent job. And now we are going to have maths today. So let's get ready for a maths lesson. Remember to check your attentive eyes, your listening ears. Keep your hands and feet to yourself and be 100% engaged in today's video. All right? Now the number of the week is 8. The number of the week is 8. So let's spell it together. E-I-G-H-T 8. One more time. E-I-G-H-T 8. Great job. And this is how the number 8 looks. So let's make it in the air, or you can trace it on the screen with me. Come on, let's make the number 8 together. So I have some loop-to-loops. Okay, so that's the number of the week, 8. And can you make 8 on your fingers? Look at your hands. Let's make 8. So you can make it like the picture that I have on the screen. So you have 5 fingers up on one hand and 3 fingers up on the other hand. And so that means 5 plus 3 gives you 8. Right, 5 plus 3 gives you 8. You could also make it like this. It's the same 5 and 3 fingers, but you're holding up 3 different fingers. So you can make it that way. See if you can mimic what I have on the screen. See if you can make it, put your fingers like that. Great job. Right, so 5 plus 3 gives us 8. And remember that the number of the week is 8. So I would like for you to practice spelling the number for this week and look around you and see what objects you can find that adds up to 8, okay? And I have a fun fact for you. Did you know that spiders have 8 legs? So let's count the legs on this spider. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Spiders have 8 legs. You have 4 on this side and 4 on this side. That means 4 plus 4 gives us 8. So put up 4 fingers on one hand, 4 fingers on the other hand. What do you get when you add them all together? You get 8. Great job. Now we're going to move on to addition. So addition is taking 2 or more numbers and adding them together. So it could just simply be 2 numbers, or you could have 5 numbers, 4 numbers. You could have a large number of numbers, whatever amount of numbers it is, but it is more than 2. So you take 2 or more numbers and you add them together. And when you're adding, remember that your number should get bigger. You should not get a smaller number when you're adding. You're supposed to get a number that is bigger as the numbers that you are adding, okay? The symbol used to show addition is this sign right here. And do you remember the name of this sign? This sign is called the plus sign. So once you see a plus sign, then you know that you're doing addition. So now let's look at some examples. So here I have an addition sentence for us to read. So this is 4 plus 3. So the addition sentence reads 4 plus 3. So we can use counters. We can draw counters for this. So here I'm going to use some squares. So first I'm going to put 4 squares down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 for this side. And over here I'm going to put 3 squares down. 1, 2, 3. So when I'm adding, I'm going to bring all of these squares together. Let's see. I'm going to bring them together now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Continue counting. 5, 6, 7. So you see I brought all the squares together and now our answer is 7. So 4 plus 3 gives us 7. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Great job, grade 1 students. Now let's look at another example. Another way that we can add 4 and 3. We can use our fingers. So put up 4 fingers on one hand. And let's do 3 fingers on the other hand. And then we're going to bring them together. We're going to count them all together. And what number are we going to get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4 plus 3 gives us 7. Great job. And we can also use the number line. So here I have a number line. Now on the number line, we're going to look for the bigger number first. So looking at 4 and 3, which is the bigger number? Is it 3 or is it 4? Is it 4 or is it 3? Which is the bigger number? It is 4. So we're going to find 4 on the number line, and then we're going to hop 3 spaces because we're adding 3. We're going to hop 3 spaces forward. So let's hop together. Get ready. So 1, that's 1 space forward. 2, 3. 3 spaces forward. So 4 plus 3 gives us 7. Great job. Give yourself a round of applause. And now we are going to, let's try together. We're going to practice it together, okay? So here I have a bunny rabbit, and the bunny rabbit wants to know how many carrots does he have? So we're going to help him out. So on this side, we're going to count them. How many? So we have 6 on that side. And how many on this side? 4. Okay, so we're going to add 6 and 4 together. You're going to bring them all together. We're going to bring all the carrots together, and we're going to come up with our answer, our total. We're going to find our total. So when you bring 6 and 4 all together, what will our total be? Let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the bunny rabbit has 10 carrots in all. So 6 plus 4 gives us 10. Put 10 fingers up. Let me see you. Excellent job. We got 10. Now here's another problem. For this problem, we're going to use the number line to help us out. So our addition sentence says 2 plus 4 equals. 2 plus 4 equals. I'm going to look for the bigger number here. Is it 2 or is it 4? Is it 4 or is it 2? Which is the bigger number here? It is 4. 4 is bigger than 2. It's greater than 2. So we're going to find 4 on the number line. Here it is. And then we're going to hop 2 spaces forward. So get ready to hop with me. Let's go. Oops, sorry. Let's go. 1, 2. So we hop 2 spaces forward. So 2 spaces forward, we get the total of 6. So 2 plus 4 equals to 6. Excellent job. Now it's time to practice. This is your time to practice. So you're going to take out your exercise books and you're going to head up for me, and you're going to do these addition sentences. So here I have some pictures for you. If you're able to draw the pictures inside of your book, that would be really great. If you're unable to draw it, you can simply write the addition sentence with the numbers, okay? So look at these problems here, and you can write the addition sentences with the numbers in your book. Remember, you can use your fingers, you can use your counters, you can find matchsticks around the house, clothespins, whatever it is that you have there, you can use it to help you add these, okay? And you can also write a number line inside of your book. You can draw a number line inside of your book. So you do this one for me, and you have these addition sentences to do for me as well inside of your books, okay? So try out the variety of ways to add them and find the one that works best for you. Which way would be your favorite? Would it be using your fingers? Would it be drawing beads? Or would it be using a number line? You have many different ways that you can add. But remember that when you're adding, you're bringing these numbers together, and you're supposed to get a bigger number. All right? So that will be the end of today's lesson. I hope that you have a lovely day and that you enjoy the weather and you're enjoying your time at home, and hope you stayed engaged for the entire lesson. Goodbye. I can't wait to see you guys again in school.